Well, hello to all my timeless beauties. Welcome to today's video. So today I wanted to do a subject that is close to my heart, literally and metaphorically. It's my chest. So this area of my chest, it's quite reactive, and I think it is for a lot of people that are over 40s. And also if you have paler skin like me, it can really, if I have irritation here, it can seriously look like I've got really bad sunburn when literally it's just a bit of irritation. I also have some scarring on here. So this is from various surgeries that I've had during the breast cancer treatment. This is where they put a port into me with a tube that also was in there, that they injected the chemo into me so they didn't have to use my veins all the time, because apparently veins pack up if you overuse them. So this is a scar that it does kind of annoy me, because I kind of think I can, I've worked hard to get my face to be, as I say, happy and healthy and glowy. And then you kind of eye travels down here, and I quite often get a lot of people asking me, oh, what's that scar? I was like, no, don't really want to talk about it today. But anyway, so on those days that I don't want to talk about it and that I'm wearing something a bit more low cut, I quite like to cover it up. So I wanted to show you how I did that. It's also a really great way just to kind of even out this whole area, because what's the saying? Your face doesn't end at your face, it ends at your chest. That doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean. Like, you should use your skincare treatments on your face and your neck, décolletage, if you want to be French and fancy. On me, I quite like wearing kind of, lower cut. I say low cut, but like scoop neck tops. Particularly if you're menopausal and you're having hot flashes, you don't want to be covering up turtlenecks up to your forehead. So I just want to show how I made that area more youthful looking, if we care, do we? Probably not. But basically just on how I go about evening it out. And it only takes a few seconds, maybe a couple of minutes, maybe seconds. It was a little bit ambitious. So I use these products. They look the same, but they're different. I say flavours, but that's not right. They're different colours. So this is Freeze Frame Body Blur. Described as skin perfecting airbrush for legs and body. Now this is similar to the Vita Liberata Body Blur body makeup that I have used before. That is good. I actually like this better, and it's made in Australia, I believe. That's what it says on the back anyway. It's got an Australian address on it. The reason I have two colours is I like to mix them depending on the shade that I am, if I'm using fake tan or not. So I have Summer Glow, and I have Winter White. Whoa, so white you can't even see it. Hey, there we go. So I mix these together, to make my kind of own custom blend for the colour that I am. And it is a lot more liquidy than a foundation, and it feels just like a moisturiser. So if I put a healthy gulp of the Winter White, see the texture. So yeah, it's just like a lotion. And then a nice little addition of the Summer Glow, like that. I mix it all together, and it looks like that. And then you can just kind of add more if you need to. And then I just rub it in on my chest, on my neck. If you're wearing a top that, you're showing back of your neck and you've got shorter hair like me, then like it there as well. It just feels like a lovely lotion. Actually doesn't really feel like anything on your skin. You just rub it in, nothing fancy, takes 2 seconds. So you could just leave it like that. It's totally fine. If I wanted to do a bit more coverage on the scars, I really like this Kosas concealer on my chest. This is in the colour 02. It's really lightweight, but it does pack a punch. It's nice on the face as well. I find it slightly irritating under my eyes. I'll just put a bit on the scars and then woo! Put the rest from the applicator on my chest so it all kind of matches up. If you've got some scarring or you want to cover up some more serious discoloration, let it just sit for a bit so a little bit of the moisture evaporates. Therefore you're left with a more pigmented, slightly thicker texture. And then just go in with a sponge. You know what sponge will do. See, it just gives you an extra layer over the top of the body glare. So I'm starting to look more even now. Then you want to set it all in. Again, you can set it with a translucent powder, or you could set it with powder that has a little bit more coverage in it as well, and then you're adding to the layer of coverage. So I quite like the Bare Minerals for this purpose. This is the original Bare Minerals. You do the old mineral makeup ads, the old tapper tapper, the tapper tapper. I'm still tapping. Now I'm swirling. And then you do the old buffery oodle, bufferino. And this, so you can still see it, like, because I haven't gone in with crazy heavy coverage, I've just gone in with light layers. But, you know, you're not going to look at me and go, hey Scar. My last little trick is to just add a bit more bronzer onto your face and bring it down your chest. So it all just kind of makes it look quite harmonious. So I've got the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the colour Bronzer. Not very creative there. A bit like Tahitian Glow or anything but bronzer. And then, yeah, just do a bit of swirl. So I'll put in a before and an after photo so you can see what it looks like. I just wanted to show you how I correct any discoloration on my chest, cover up scars, make it all look a bit more cohesive, make me feel a bit more confident when I'm out and about, that people are staring at my scars. Some days I care about those things, some days I don't care about those things. Yeah, I'm only human. This concoction is definitely water resistant. I have done this and gone into a pool, probably gone swimming in the ocean, and it's only going to come off if you use soap and water in the shower or the bath or wherever you are. So it'll hang around and I won't do anything weird, which is good. Always put sunscreen on underneath it. You can also top up the sunscreen over the top with a spray sunscreen, which is what I usually do, and I don't tend to get sun in that area. So that is my quick little video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.